What's up, guys? Brian Wilson here. Gonna show you some techniques, and we're gonna drop these to Facebook, YouTube, and our half guard, half butterfly playlist and stuff. But these techniques are gonna be from a Bruno Bosco seminar. He's like a 6-time world champion, 4th degree black belt, just really awesome martial artist. He competes at super heavyweight division, so he's like 250, and he regularly rolls against people who are like 330 pounds. So what I really liked is that, you know, his perspective on, you know, these are the moves that he did in tournaments against these people that outweighed him a lot, right? And I'm like, okay, that's jiu-jitsu. So this is just a simple little idea called the overhook sweep, right? So here's the main points he was making at the beginning. Some theory and strategy I really liked is don't let them get underneath your head. So just kind of keeping crunched in here, or under your arm, right? Because if he combines that with an underhook over here, that's bad, right? So like a double underhook half mount pass, or just a head arm position, right? With that shoulder pressure, not good. We don't like that. So what he was saying is he'll give this up, but he will not give this up, right? And I thought that was an interesting perspective from like the weight class that doesn't weigh in, right? So that's the idea. Now here's the next thing, is as he goes to get this, right, I'm gonna kind of cover it with an overhook. Now the thing that makes the sweep work is putting my foot on the mat and turning him over like this, okay? Just kind of turn for the camera here. So essentially, look, my knee's behind his knee. And his hand's on the mat, that's the only reason he's not going over. So I add the overhook to that, he goes over. Sometimes, your knee is outside, right? See that? That's fine when this is the case. Often, you could step on your foot to turn him over, okay? Now, if he's hooking my shoulder, it's harder for him to post, right? As he goes to flatten me, I turn him over, get a little shoulder pressure, and work whatever pass you like from here. Like, you land in sort of a half mount yourself. You make a flow drill out of this. First time I ever learned this sweep, it was a flow drill. You go, they go. But you can pass, and that's like for sport strategy. You get, you know, sweep points and pass points. Okay. So as he is getting this underhook, I cover with my overhook, and I turn him over, landing in shoulder pressure. One more time. Okay, that's the overhook sweep. Thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna do a follow-up video on this where it's a little different setup, right? So check back for that. Thanks.